Okay, I've got a good idea for you all here. I want you to factorize these numbers. I want you to take the 20 and take the 28 and just split them up into factors, right? So 28 is what? So do a little lines here. 28 is what times what? 7 times 4, lovely. 20 is what times what? 5 times 4. Now that's nice because we have a 4 in each one. But even if you didn't, you might have got 7 times 2 times 2, or eventually, because 7 times 4, the 4 becomes 2 times 2. And you might have said, okay, that's 2 times 10, which is 2 times 2 times 5. Either way, it doesn't matter. But yeah, we've got 4s in each one, so we can go with that. So we're going to write this as 12 over 7 times 4 plus 9 over 5 times 4. That's what we're going to do. Got that? And now we're going to just stick in numbers on each side so that the bottoms are the same. That's all you have to do. Right. Because if otherwise we'd have had to do the lowest common denominator. Like you have to multiples of 28, like 28 and like 56. 64, 84, and so on, and then it'd be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and so on, right? So that's a harder gig, isn't it? Right. So this way though, if we just factorize, now what's missing over here and what's missing over here? Beautiful. And so now I've got 5 times 7 times 4, and over here we need a 7, woohoo! Because look, 5 times 4 times 7. Same thing, 5 times 4 times 7. Beautiful. So we can stick a 5 up here and a 7 up here, right? And so now what do we get in top and bottom? Take your time. So on the bottom here, 5 times 7 is 35. And 35 times 4. 4 5s, 20, carry 2. 4 3s is 12, and 2 is 14, right? And over here, 5 times 4 is 20, times 7, 0, 14, right? So we should have 140 on both denominators, on the bottom of both fractions, right? And on the top, yep, yep. And on the top here, yep, 63. Good. And so now add them. What do we get? Yep. So we should get 123 over 140. And that is correct. Now, that is by splitting them into factors and just making the bottoms the same, right? Now we could have done multiples. In this case it was for sure. We could have gone, so 84, and then it would have been 90 to 112, and then add another 128, and I get 140. And the 20s went 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Whoa, hold on a second. 140. See, we could have got it that way. But you would have to then go, okay, 28 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 28 gives 120, 140. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 20 gives 140. And so that's why you multiply this one by 7 over 7. Whoops. 7 over 7. And you multiply this one by 5 over 5, right? which is what we did anyway, right? So you can do this thing if you all want to. The factoring is, I kind of like everyone to learn that because it's great, and it's the same when you come to algebra, you're going to have to do it anyway, so you might as well learn it now. So, yeah.